Good day everybody, we've been given this question. Let f of x be a function satisfying f of x positive f of pi negative x is equal to pi squared for every x element of R. Then integral 0 to pi f of x sin x dx is equal to what? So we are expected to get this output. So foremost, what I wish to do is let I be equal to integral 0 to pi f of x times sin x dx. Now there is a result in the definite integrals. It's a property. If we were to have integral a to b f of x dx, then this is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So I can utilize this. Using this in 1, therefore 1 can be rewritten as integral 0 to pi f of 0 positive pi negative x times dx. Of course there should be sin x there. So in sin x also it's going to be f of 0 positive pi negative x. Let me rewrite this. So 0 to pi f of pi negative x times the sine of pi negative x times dx. So let me take this as 2. This is equal to I on the left side. Adding 1 and 2, we get I added with I. This will give me 2 times I. Now this is 0 to pi f of x sin x dx positive. Now this is 0 to pi f of pi negative x. Now you have sine of pi negative x. Now let me show you what is that. Sine of pi negative x is of the form sine of a minus b, which is sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. So this is going to be sin pi cos x minus cos pi sin x. Okay, now this is going to be 0, but cos of pi is negative 1. So you have negative of negative 1 multiplied with sin x, which is going to be positive sin x. So this is going to give us sin x times dx. So these two can be added and can be rewritten as 0 to pi f of x positive f of pi negative x times sin x dx. But what is this? This is given to be as pi squared. So substitute that value. So integral 0 to pi squared times sin x dx. This can be rewritten by taking pi squared out, 0 to pi sin x dx. This is pi squared times, you integrate sin x, you get cos x with a negative sign. So write that cos x. So 0 to pi. This is nothing but negative pi squared of cos of pi negative cos of 0. Cos of pi is negative 1. And this is also 1, you have a negative sign there, so you have negative 2 with a negative pi squared, so it's going to be 2 times pi squared. But on the left hand side you have 2 times I, so I'm utilizing this space here. So 2 times I is equal to 2 times pi squared, 2 gets cancelled, therefore I is equal to pi squared. And what does it mean I is equal to pi squared? This is exactly what they are asking. 0 to pi f of x times sin x dx is equal to what? It is equal to pi squared. So that's the solution for this question. Okay, please like, share and subscribe.